Hi there, students. Swarm. A swarm, a countable noun. To swarm as a verb. And swarming with, or to swarm with, is quite common as well. Let's see. A swarm, this for me is a bee word, a swarm of bees. When a new queen leaves a hive, it takes with it a swarm of bees to set up a new place to live. A swarm is probably about this big. It's a wonderful thing to see. But a swarm of bees, you could have a swarm of ants. Yeah, this is when the queen moves to establish a new colony, and there are hundreds, there are thousands of them. Okay, we can also then use this more metaphorically. The place was swarming with reporters. The beach was swarming with tourists. To be absolutely full of. Yeah, the place was swarming with football fans. Yeah, so if a place is swarming with people, there are large groups of them moving together. A swarm of reporters was waiting outside the courthouse. Yeah, you've seen this, swarms of reporters. Yeah, when they opened the door for the winter sale, the customers swarmed in. To swarm somebody, to crowd round them. But I think particularly this phrase, swarming with. So the place was swarming with young kids. It was full of. Yeah. There were swarms of people in the park because it was a sunny day. Yeah, it's describing them metaphorically as a swarm of bees or a swarm of ants. Yeah, maybe in summer you will find swarms of mosquitoes and you're going to get eaten. If you've ever been to the real jungle, the Amazon for example, they are swarms of mosquitoes, huge numbers of them. The playground was swarming with kids. Yeah, it's like a cloud of them. The Oxford Street is swarming with people in the run-up to Christmas. It's talking about a crowd, a flock, a throng of people, a mass of people. Yeah, swarms of people wanted to get his autograph. We advertised the job in the newspaper and we have had swarms of applications. A swarm of people, a large group of people. Yeah, a swarm of tourists being led by their tourist guide who's talking with a microphone. Yeah, there was an absolute swarm of people. People were swarming around him. Yeah, the shopping centre was swarming with buyers. The house was swarmed with mice. It was swarming with mice. It was full of. Yeah. This effectively, it's a crowd, a large group, a plague of. Yeah. People all crowding together, a multitude, a host, a flock, a horde, a myriad of people. Yeah, and then to swarm. People swarmed forwards when the barrier fell down. Yeah, there are swarms of people waiting to do this. Yeah, people are swarming in the square, ready for the demonstration. So, swarming with, to swarm, a swarm of people. I think I'm going to give this 4.5 in formality. I think if you talk about insects, 5 in formality, use anywhere. I think swarming with, 4.5, use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I wouldn't use swarming with in a very formal document. And then this itself comes from Proto-Germanic swarmaz, meaning a swarm or dizziness, when you feel dizzy. Yeah, from Proto-Indo-European swerd, to buzz, bzz, the hum, and those are your bees. Yeah, you can hear them humming. Yeah, a swarm of bees you can hear from quite a distance. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. My channel is swarming with videos. Bye for now. Swarm.